Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Waters Corporation's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Waters Corporation, a leader in analytical instruments and software, has just released their Q2 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Waters reported sales of $771 million for Q2 2025, marking a 9% increase. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by strong instrument replacement trends, especially among large pharmaceutical and CDMO customers. Additionally, recurring revenue saw an 11% increase in constant currency, with significant contributions from service and chemistry growth.
And how did this translate into profitability?
On the profitability front, Waters reported a GAAP EPS of $2.47 and an adjusted EPS of $2.95, which is above the midpoint of their guidance range. This reflects a 12% growth in non-GAAP EPS compared to the same quarter last year.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.93 based on a survey of 8 analysts. How did Waters perform against these expectations?
Waters exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $2.95, slightly above the forecast. This beat is a testament to their strong execution and strategic initiatives that have been effectively driving growth.
What does this mean for investor sentiment?
Beating EPS forecasts generally boosts investor confidence, indicating that the company is on a solid growth trajectory and effectively managing its operations.
Strategic initiatives and market performance. John, can you elaborate on Waters' strategic initiatives and how they are impacting market performance?
Waters has been focusing on commercial growth initiatives and the rapid uptake of new products. The pharmaceutical segment grew by 11% and the industrial segment by 6%, while the academic and government segment, although declining by 3%, performed better than expected.
How are these initiatives shaping their future outlook?
Their strategic focus on high-growth adjacencies and the integration with BD Biosciences and Diagnostic Solutions is expected to accelerate their growth strategy, providing a robust foundation for future expansion.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Waters provided for the rest of 2025?
Waters has raised its full-year 2025 constant currency sales growth guidance to 5.5% to 7.5%, and its non-GAAP EPS guidance to $12 to $13.5. For Q3, they expect sales growth of 5.0 to 7.0% and an adjusted EPS between $3.15 and $3.25.
What does this suggest about their confidence in future performance?
This upward revision in guidance reflects strong confidence in their ongoing strategic initiatives and market positioning, suggesting a positive outlook for the remainder of the year.
Key takeaways. In summary, Waters Corporation has delivered a strong Q2 performance, exceeding EPS expectations and raising their full-year guidance. John, any final thoughts on Waters as an investment prospect?
Waters is well-positioned for continued growth, driven by strategic initiatives and strong market performance. Their ability to exceed expectations and raise guidance is a positive indicator for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Waters' performance in the comments below.